So when you're traveling as a bottom, there are some things that I highly recommend that you travel with. This is the kit that I normally travel with. You may have some additional items, but I think these are the essential and I highly recommend you consider packing them. One of the first things is when you're traveling, your diet can go to very, very different to what you're used to at home. That can sometimes make the bowels a little bit irregular. So I do recommend I travel with sachets of fiber supplements. This is really, really handy and it absolutely makes cleaning out and preparation a heck of a lot easier. When it comes to cleaning out, one thing that I recommend traveling with is a portable travel douching kit. This bulb is fantastic. It is made of a silicone product, so it's lovely and soft and can't cause any damage. And it's easily screwed together. You can use it to clean out and then you simply unscrew it and it packs super easily and can be packed away like that. This makes everything so much easier, and because you're using a bulb, the risk of over-douching is much, much lower. With this, I always recommend take your time. There is no need to rush, and rushing can cause irritation, damage, and retention of water when you're cleaning out. That makes a huge difference to a successful clean out. Preparation for fun is always important, and I am a huge fan of using dilators to prepare the anal canal for penetration. And a great kit that I've got from the team at the Future Method is these silicone dilators. They're light, they're soft and pliable, which means they're unlikely to cause any damage, with a lovely tapered tip, and the tapered tip is what makes a massive difference to slowly opening up the canal. These come in a kit of 4. I've done enough dilating that I know my body and I know what's going to work best for me. So I go for the second smallest, the next one up, and then the final bigger dilator. And that helps me prepare for any play beforehand. The other advantage is that after you've cleaned out, by using the dilators, you can help ease out any retained water, and you can use it as a dipstick test. So if the dilators are coming out clean, you know you've had a successful clean out and you are going to be ready for play. Finally, one of the key things that I love to travel with is my favorite brand of lube. I use Swiss Navy. It's one of my favorite lubricants. It comes in this lovely small container, which is perfect for travel. It's got a lockable tip as well, so when it's in your bag, it's not going to leak. That said, I still carry it in a Ziploc bag just in case some of those pressure changes in planes could cause any damage. And then finally, this is perfect for putting in your sock or inside your towel if you are inside a club. Here in Europe, it is actually quite rare for the clubs to provide lubricants. So by carrying your own lubricant, you know that you're going to be using the right lube for you that works best for you. So there you go, that is my travel kit, and all of this fits super easy into a small travel bag, and it's just perfect. Put it together, throw it in, and have an amazing time traveling. That's my kit. My question to you is, do you have any additional items that you like to include when you're preparing for travel and fun while you're away? Have an amazing day. It's Dr. George. Hit subscribe if you'd like to learn more tips and tricks about bottoming and travel.